Hi, this piano tutorial explains how to make a major and minor chord on the piano. It will then finish with a 5-minute exercise where we learn all major and minor chords on the piano. A chord is a collection of 3 notes played together like this. These notes come from a scale and you're just playing the 1st and 3rd and 5th note of that scale. These are called major chords. There are also minor chords. These sound like this. The outer notes stay the same, but the middle note goes down by a semitone. To create a chord without knowing your scales, you just need to think of the 4-3 formula. So pick a note, go up 4 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go up 3 notes, 1, 2, 3. And that will create a major chord. You can apply this formula on any note you start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. To create a minor chord with this technique, we just reverse the formula. So going for 3 and then 4. Start on a note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That gets you a minor chord. Applied to another note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these chords are actually related to scales. So every major scale, if you created the chords out of that scale, you would get 3 major chords and 3 minor chords. Here's a scale with some black notes. Using those same notes, I can create my 1, 4, 5 chords, which are major, and my 6, 2, 3 chords, which are minor. You can also think about these chords in shapes, and I'll have diagrams in the exercise. With our fingers with these chords, just use your thumb, middle finger and pinky with all these shapes. You might find later on with some of the other shapes, you might feel more comfortable using 2 and 4, but yet let your fingers be a guide. You can basically get away with thumb, 3rd and 5th for all of these chords. Okay, now let's look at the exercise to learn all 12 major and minor chords on the piano. What we're going to do is we're going to play 1, 4, 5 progressions in 4 of the key centers, which will actually get our 12 major and minor chords. We're going to play each progression twice, so you'll have a chance to play along. I'm going to play it with this pattern where the left hand is just going to play the root note of the chord, and I'm going to play 4 chords per bar. Like this. If you are very new to this, all I want you to do is hold the chord while I do the 4 notes per bar. So I'm just simulating what I'd like you to do in the right hand. But of course you can play it down where I'm playing. If this lesson goes too fast for you, stop and start the video. Make sure you've got those chords really under your fingers there. Don't stress if it takes you some time to consolidate the shape. Once you know them, you'll know them, and you'll be able to play any chord chart that's put in front of you with major and minor chords. If you're finding the exercise easy, try and join me with those crotchet beats, or even do some variations of the chords. Get creative and just enjoy the exercise. Okay, let's start the exercise where we'll learn all major and minor chords on the piano in 5 minutes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, that was all 12 major chords. Now let's look at the minor chords. The same pattern, but the middle note is lowered by semitone. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And well done. If you followed me through all of those, you've just learnt all your major and minor chords. Remember with this one, keep practicing until you are really comfortable with this exercise. I'm planning to do a series of lessons where we keep extending our knowledge of chords. So watch out for the next one in the series when you're really comfortable with this one. I will create a YouTube playlist that you can follow. If you think anyone else would benefit from this, please share it around. Thanks for all the support for this channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.